नमस्कार साथियों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके इस YouTube प्लेटफॉर्म लॉ विद रोनित में। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो सेशन we shall make a quick discussion on the infringement of the copyright. See, there is two things. First one is the infringement of the copyright. Another thing is the certain acts which do not considered as the infringement of the copyright. Both of them mentioned under the Section 51 and the Section 52 of the Copyright Act 1957. Section 51 of the Copyright Act 1957 discussed about the when copyright infringed, and the Section 52 of the Copyright Act 1957 tells about the certain acts which do not considered as the infringement of the copyrights. So let me discuss here the Section 51 of the Copyright Act 1957 in detail. So Section 51 of the Copyright Act 1957 contained two clause, Clause A and Clause B, and the Clause A further contained the two subclause and Clause B further contained the four subclauses. So what the Clause A of the Section 51 tells. Clause C, there is the owner of the copyright to whom the license is granted by the ROC, Registrar of the Copyright, under which the conditions are mentioned or the conditions imposed by the competent authority to the owner of the copyright. So what is it? It is the exclusive right of the owner. Okay, if any person contravene these conditions or does anything with this exclusive right, it will considered as a infringement of the copyright, which is given under the subclause 1 of the Clause A of the Section 51. So what the subclause 2 of the Clause A of the 51 tells, conclusively it tell that if the exclusive right of the owner is used for the profit of own self, it is also considered as a infringement of the copyright. So we need to came on the Clause B of the Section 51. So Clause B of the Section 51 contain the four subclause, Clause 1, 2, 3, 4. Conclusively, all these subsection tells that if the exclusive right of the owner is used for the purpose of the trade, then it is also considered as the infringement of the copyright. So let me see here in the detail what these four subsections are tell about. So subsection 1 of the Clause B tell that if any person make for sale, hire or sell it for the purpose of the trade or distribute it for the purpose of trade, which is mentioned under the subsection 2 of the Clause B. Third one is tell about the way to trade, exhibit to the public, and fourth is the import in India, that all activities done by the any person against the exclusive right of the owner of the copyright is considered as the infringement of the copyright. In this video session, I am discussing and I am frequently talk about the term infringement. So there is infringing copy. Under which section infringing copy is mentioned? Tell me in the comment section in detail. Thank you for watching this video.